before him, the breath of heaven. The night grew still in Bethlehem as stars began to rise. A hush fell over shepherds as the glory filled the skies. A lullaby of heaven drifted softly through the air, and every trembling heart could feel a Savior standing there. No palace walls around him, just the straw beneath his head. Yet angels bowed in reverence at the place where he was laid. A child so small and holy, wrapped in mercy's gentle flame. And all the world fell silent when the angel spoke his name.
Darkness fled before him as creation breathed a sigh. The King of endless ages came to live and came to die.
Heaven's cry of love, oh hear the song of glory ringing softly through the night. A child who came to lift the world, our everlasting light. Let weary hearts find rest again, let sorrow fade from sight. For peace was born in Bethlehem when heaven touched the night.
A manger crowned with majesty, the cattle stirred in wonder as the morning star grew bright. And Mary kissed her newborn son, the hope of endless night.
Joseph watched in reverence as the promises of old became a breathing miracle their trembling hands could hold. The wise men crossed the desert with a star to guide their way, their footsteps filled with worship as they knelt that blessed day. Their gifts lay at his cradle, gold and incense sanctified, while heaven wept with holy joy. The night the angels cried. He came to bind the broken, came to still the storms inside. He came to bear the cross for us and with his love abide. The call to believe, oh hear the voice of mercy in the cold December air. A Savior born for every soul who's burdened by despair. Lift up your eyes to Bethlehem, let every fear subside. For love embraced the world again. The night the angels cried, and still his star is shining through our darkest winter storms, a guiding flame for every heart that longs to feel him warm. The ancient hymns of Christmas still remind the meek and mild. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel has come to bless his child. And bring him all your heavy grief, the secrets that you hide. For the child who warmed the stable air still warms the soul inside. Let earth awake, oh lift your voice in wonder.